Yes, I'm on the block. Got looking for the ops. It's the end with my top. If she want it, I'm a copy. Yeah, I'm on the block. I'm looking for the ops.
Hey guys, it's Kimera. Welcome back to my channel. I already know what you guys are thinking. Literally on my last video, I let you guys know that I do have heat damage and now my hair's straight. So I know you guys are already typing up your comments like, what are you doing? You literally just said and you just did this. But I want you guys to know, don't waste your time because it's my hair, and of course I'm concerned about the health of my hair, but heat damage is not the end all be all to the world. So yeah, I got heat damage in October and it is now almost March, so I did keep it from you guys for a really long time. So I don't want you guys to think that I just found out about the heat damage last week and then this week I'm getting my hair done. No, I've known about the damage for a long time. I've had time to process it, and like I said in my last video, I decided that I wanted to find a professional that I could trust with my natural hair. So after I got the heat damage, I started to do more research about stylists, finding natural hair stylists in my area that were good with cutting hair, just taking care of hair. So I stumbled upon this hairstylist on a natural hair page, and she was posted on there because of her color work. So typically when I see stuff like that, they're never in my area, but I ended up clicking on her profile and she was in Maryland. So to my surprise, I was really shocked to see that she was in Maryland. I looked more at her work. I looked at her prices. Her prices were great. Of course, I checked her testimonies, her reviews, and what everybody had to say about her. I slept on it for like a month. Like, I had found her page maybe last month and I didn't book my appointment until maybe 2 weeks ago, just because I really didn't want to make another mistake with my hair. So I finally decided to just make the appointment and I don't regret it at all. For my appointment, I booked a simple silk press. When going in there, I just hoped that she could give me more insight about my hair, how to bring my hair back to health. And I do have a lot of important events coming up. I have prom, graduation, I'm going off to college. So if I want to do anything spectacular with my hair as far as heat or color, I need somebody that I can trust for these big events so that my hair does not get worse. So for me, this was definitely like the tester phase of if I found the right stylist for me for prom and graduation. So immediately when I went in there, I just felt like a sigh of relief. I didn't really feel nervous or anything. She did have a lot of other clients in there, but the ambiance was just like, it was chill. Like, it was a typical hair salon. Everyone was talking. We were all talking. She had another young lady who was working with her to help her, and that was who washed my hair and blow dried my hair. And at first I was a little bit nervous because sometimes the shampoo girls or their assistants are not as thorough as they are, so I was a little bit nervous. But when I got in there, she did like an assessment of my hair to pick the products that she wanted to use on my hair. So there was no like standard products that she used on everyone. She felt my hair to see where I was and picked products based on that. So that made me really happy. And then I got my hair washed and I got a treatment done on my hair, so that made me feel like more comfortable. I was able to have conversations with everyone there, so that also made me feel really comfortable with being there and trusting them with my hair. The detangling process for me at hair salons is always crazy, but I can say that her assistant was very, very patient with my hair. I did not feel like my hair was ripping out. She did not start combing my hair from the root. Like, I didn't feel like anything was gonna happen to me that I did not like. So I tried to film as much as possible, and I'm definitely going to be inserting the clips in here of what I was able to get for my appointment. So after my hair was washed and I did the treatment, she blow dried my hair with the paddle brush, so there was no like direct heat with the comb. I like blow drying with the paddle brush, but it does take more time, but of course it's better for your hair, so I was happy that she did that. And then I sat in the main stylist chair and I was just blown away, honestly, guys. So Immediately, she just felt my hair and she asked me, she said, do you have an iron deficiency? And I said, no. And then she said, do you have a vitamin D deficiency? And I do. So I was like, you know, like, what makes you say that? Like, where are you getting that from? How do you even know that? Like, I just met you. So everyone at that point in the room was like asking how she was able to tell that. But she said that she was, oh, I actually got it on film. So she asked me if I had a deficiency in my hair, in my body, as far as vitamins, and that just sealed the deal for me. Like, I was already like, okay, you have a returning customer. I'm coming back to you. Okay, so
because her hair is like natural, it's no chemicals in it, but it's very sparse pieces that look like her hair just popped off. So when you have an iron deficiency, vitamin D, or thyroid issue, you can really tell in the hair just by looking at it. So you see all of this around here, and then if I open it up, it's different areas in her hair that still have like really short pieces. It popped off. So vitamin D contributes to hair loss, and people don't know that. So if you're not taking your supplements or getting the right amount of vitamin D, it can cause your hair to pop off. She's just lucky because she have all of this, so she's not missing anything.
A lot of hairstylists just don't take the time to sit down and assess your hair with you and let you know, I'm noticing this with your hair, maybe you should try this. Sometimes they're all about their money and you're in and out of the chair. But for her to actually sit down, assess my hair, to pick products that were good for my hair, and to let me know that she could see some sort of deficiency in my hair that's not gonna be too good for me in the long run, I was satisfied after that. After that, she began to straighten my hair, and I was able to like ask her questions about my heat damage. I asked her questions about if I ever wanted to color my hair. I asked her questions about the silk press and the products that she was using. She was extremely open about everything. With the silk press, she literally went over my hair with a flat iron with one pass. And I even asked her about that because with most stylists, they have to go over it more than one time. And she was basically telling me that it starts at the wash bowl. Like, the products that you use there will determine the outcome. So the products that she used was why she was able to get my hair this like straight with only one pass. So after that, I was like, okay, I'm certain I won't have heat damage. Like, I was thinking about you guys, like you guys will be able to feel a sigh of relief because even though it's my hair, you guys are also attached to it. So I was very happy to hear that. I was not there for all day. It literally took her no more than 30 minutes to straighten my hair, and for me that's really good because last time I got my hair straightened, it took like 3 hours. So I was really happy to be out of that chair in 30 minutes. And I went to Target to get me some vitamins, vitamin D, because my hair needs it. So I was overall really satisfied with my service that I received. I'm definitely going to be going back to her with prom and everything coming up. I'm going to be going back soon to get a trim. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys to let you guys know that I'm not afraid of heat, and I have now found a stylist that I'm very confident with, and I actually trust her with whatever she wants to do with my hair. I don't want you guys to be feeling like I have heat damage, so I need to be sitting doing protein treatments every weekend. Like, no, I'm actually being proactive with the health of my hair, and I'm excited for my hair to be nursed back to health with her. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys.